Savage Ink International Tattoo Convention celebrated its third edition last weekend, September 14 and 15, 2024, at the Philly Hotel of NUSTAR Resort and Casino in Cebu. The event drew over 200 tattoo artists, judges, and enthusiasts from across the globe. Founded by renowned tattoo artist and couple Ann Savage and Joe Black, the convention aims to spotlight exceptional talent and artistry in the tattoo world.
We didn't expect it would be this big. The venue alone is a nerve-wracking decision we've made. From the previous years we experienced, we can definitely say that this year kay mas kuan siya, mas grand, and because of that we are looking forward to making it more bigger for next year.
Attendees were treated to live tattoo sessions, art displays, merchandise booths, a car and motor show, and high-energy musical performances. One of the highlights of the convention was the celebration of ancestral tattooing practices. Jean Choson, owner and professional tattoo artist at 𝗏𝗏𝗏 showcased traditional Filipino tribal tattooing featuring intricate designs from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao.
I think this is important for everybody, for awareness, for education, for our fellow Filipinos and for other countries that we have a beautiful tattooing culture.
Have you been traveling?
We've been traveling around the Philippines and abroad promoting our, tattoo culture.
The event also hosted an exciting tattoo competition with 20 categories, where artists were judged on creativity, style variations, skill, and more. Tuan Black, a tattoo artist from Vietnam, proudly explained his backpiece masterpiece, the Red Devil, which covered his model's entire back.
Dùng cảm nhận ngày đầu tiên của mình là mình thấy không khí nó rất là sôi động và nhiều anh em thợ xăm rất là nhiệt huyết. Nên mình cũng cảm thấy mình cũng là một thí sinh đang thi và mình cũng rất hồi hộp. Thực sự là cái hình này mình thiết kế là trên hình của AI. Công nghệ AI bây giờ khá phổ biến và mình thấy rất là hay. Mình thiết kế theo công nghệ AI và tiệm xăm của mình tên là Red Review, từ quỷ đỏ, nên mình lấy cái ý tưởng về cái tên tiệm xăm của mình và mình thiết kế một cái hình này về.
Notable tattoo personalities and power couples 𝗏𝗏𝗏 and Solar Boy praised the event, noticing how it continues to improve each year.
We are very thankful na naging part kami ng event na to, and guys, I hope sana maka-attend kayo dito soon kasi guys, every year paganda yung Savage Ink, guys.
So we are here with our tattoo squad, syempre para sumuporta sa mga ganitong kaganda, kalaki at kalupit na tattoo event sa Pilipinas, syempre. So mas palawakin pa natin itong mga ganitong tattoo event para sa tattoo industry natin.
Beyond celebrating world-class talent, the convention also raised funds for Everlasting Hope, a Cebu-based charity supporting children with cancer. Additionally, the event serves a larger purpose, to unite tattoo enthusiasts and challenge the stigma against people with tattoos, promoting inclusivity and a love for art.
Amo lang love kay namo ang kind of art ang tattoo. Kay mura bag humubutang sa skin, mo stay siya for how many years? Forever.
Forever.
Kung tanawon sa uban, hindi na tanawon na mura daw kanan lagi hugaw, tanawon nila na unprofessional, but sa years sa among experience,
puro ra positive ang among na feel good.
Even karon imong tanawon ng event, tanawon nimo ang mga tao murag mga bad guys kayo. O di ka kita mag-away direct. Di ka kita magsinumbagay.
This has been Elaiza Mae Peñaranda for MyTV, Cebu.